All right, I'm going to explain to you how to replace the wire drive wheel on the SuperG Lasher. It's very easy to do. You have 3 cap screws right here. Takes a 5/32 Allen wrench. Now they are Loctited with a non-hardening Loctite to keep them in place. So they might be a little stiff to come out. All right, basically just pulls off the unit. Take the new one, put it in, line it up with the holes in the back plate. Take your top plate, put it in position, and you gotta like push them through the rubber. All right, it's a very close fit to keep them from spinning on us. Get one of your screws started, and then just do the same with the other 2. The screws will actually retain a lot of the Loctite, so you shouldn't have to redo it again. And that's it. That's all it takes to replace one. Do one. You should really do both at the same time. So the machine's even wear on both sides. And that's how you do it.